My name is Stacy Sawyer. I've been an attorney for Skillern firm for 4 years, which is also how long I've been practicing. I graduated from South Texas College of Law in 2020. I was an articles editor on Law Review, and I graduated at the top of my class. I feel like I've always had the innate desire to help people, especially through what is probably one of the most challenging parts of their life. And it has to do with the things that they love most, their children, their things, their home. And so I think that inspired me to do family law because it is a meaningful practice. As a child of divorce myself, I watched my mom and dad go through a divorce, and me and my brothers were pulled, to either parent, and I felt that tension within myself as a child. And so I feel like with that perspective, along with other things, of course, in life, I feel like that has helped me in this practice, being able to see it through the child's lens and help my clients understand that a little bit better. So I've always considered myself a very big people person. I love people. I love getting to know different humans, what memories and what experiences have shaped them to be the person that they are today. And everybody is so vastly different, and that translates into each and every case that comes across my desk. Every single case is different because every person and every family is so different. And I think that with that knowledge and that innate curiosity of just getting to know people, I think it helps me really dive into the details of everybody's case and actually care about the details. The most fulfilling part about this practice is genuinely seeing my client go from, again, the worst part of their life to the end, whenever they have a whole new chapter ahead of them, and they have so much gratitude, and they finally see the light at the end of the tunnel. Right, they're there, and they have a new lease on life. It's amazing. I like to connect with my clients on a personal level just by treating them like a normal person, like a friend. I genuinely care for my clients, and I try to explain things in terms that they understand, because not everybody speaks, our language as lawyers. I like to keep in constant communication with my clients, let them know that I care about them, because I genuinely do care about them. That's important to me because, again, just going back to this being a challenging part in everybody's life, everybody wants, a friend, someone that they can depend on and know that they're going to fight for their best interest, because that's what we're here for. I want my clients to genuinely feel that they can trust me, because they can trust me. Again, that's what we're here for, and we're going to go to bat for them, whether that's in the courtroom, in mediation, or just on a day-to-day basis whenever we're exchanging emails and phone calls with them and opposing counsel. We're here for them always. I think what keeps me going in this field and just the practice of law in general is I've always been super competitive by nature. I played sports growing up. I like to win. I like to do a good job and be a good sport as well, obviously. I'm competitive by nature, and I want to go in there. I want to fight for you. I want to fight for my clients, so that's what they deserve. I just like to do good work for good people. I find meaning in being able to guide someone who probably doesn't understand the law and how these things work. I like to win. I like to get good results. I like to go in there and fight. That coupled with my knowledge of the law and my desire to learn and keep learning about the law, I think it equips me with the skills that I need. The competitiveness and the care and knowledge of the law helps us go in prepared and ready to fight and ready to get good results. Something I've learned from my clients is just that everybody is different. Every single person is different, and so there's not a one-size-fits-all approach to this practice. Everybody needs a crafted approach to their case, whether it's divorce, custody, modification. Every single person, every single family is different, and so you have to think about that and be aware of that in preparing the case. I think something that sets me apart in this field is I pride myself in knowing the law genuinely and staying up to date in the changes in the law. With that, I like to craft my client's approach, our approach to the case strategically based on that knowledge, and then apply it to the specific case facts for that client. Along with that, I genuinely listen to my clients. Everybody has a story, and that story is so incredibly important to them, and also how we approach their case. It gets better. It will get better. It doesn't seem like it now, and the process is tough, but it does get better, and there is help, and we're here.